Hey there. Today I'm here for a new Photoshop tutorial. It's about removing a photo background easily. Okay then, let's get started. First, choose the picture that you need. Then, select the Object Selection tool. It's here. Then, put ticks on those boxes named Simple All Layers, Object Enhance and Object Subtract. Now, select the object like this. Can you see the object selected? Okay then, now we want to make a duplicate layer. For this, drag the background image, like this. Okay. Now, a duplicate layer has been created. For the next step, go to Properties. It's just right here. Okay then, choose Keyhook format, and remove the background. Remember, there are two layers here, so let us remove the background of the second layer too. Also, you can delete the second layer. OMG, there's no background now, it works. So finally, save your file. In here, the image gonna save as a Photoshop file. So, let's figure it out. There are two ways to do this. Watch what I'm doing. Okay. It saved correctly, and we did it. Let's meet in another video, and goodbye for now.